So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Hedera, ticker symbol HBAR, here on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, let's go to the bottom and press on the Explore icon. At the top, go to the search bar. As I mentioned, the simplest way is to type in ticker symbol HBAR. Hedera is right here. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom right, press buy. Now, once you're on this page, you can go ahead and select how much money of HBAR you're looking to buy. So for this example, if I were to press $20, you can also go to where it says Apple Pay right here and select your payment method. In this case, I have Apple Pay selected. I will then press the purple arrow to proceed. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and confirm your transaction if you want, as well as verify the payment method that you're going for. You can press I understand if you want to go ahead and do that. Go to the bottom to proceed this way with the transaction by pressing on confirm. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Hedera, ticker symbol HBAR, here on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.